Now, as usual, the first thing we're going to do is select the data sheet, right-click on the data tab, click on Move a Copy, and click on Create a Copy. And that gets us to this new sheet. Now, rename the sheet Histogram Tool. The histogram tool is in the ribbon on the data tab in the ribbon. Okay, so switch to the data tab in the ribbon, and then out here it's data analysis. So I'm going to click on this data analysis, and that'll pop up a whole bunch of data analysis tools. From that, I'm going to select the histogram. Okay, so here's the histogram window. So for the input range, I'm going to select all the data in AP terms. So starting with the first AP term, which is 30, and then hold Control Shift down and select all the other AP terms. Now for the output range, I'm going to select an empty cell somewhere. Okay, so I'm going to click an empty cell out there and say that this is going to be the output range. I don't want to use a new workbook for this. Okay, and I click on OK. And then here it gives me the frequency distribution for my AP terms. Now, Excel's built-in function does this in a really weird way. So it says I have 515, I have 64 of the 31.6667, which I actually don't have here, and 13 of the more. However, if you look at the AP terms, there's 30, there's 45, there's 25, there's 15, so on and so forth. But none of all these things what Excel says I have. So let's see if we can do this another way. So I'm going to select all the AP terms. So I'm going to select the first AP term, hold down Control Shift and down, copy this, and put this out here. I'm going to paste this using Control V or Command V. And then again, I'm going to select one of these things. In the Data tab, there's a Remove Duplicates, this one here. So I'm going to select this, click on Remove Duplicates from column L. And so it says it found 90 duplicate values and only 4 unique values remain. So it's 15, 25, 45, and 30. So I'm going to sort this A to Z, which it didn't do well. So 15, 25, 30, and 45. Here are the values on which I want these sorted. So Excel calls this actually bins. So let's try this again. I'm going to go with the Data tab, Data Analysis, Histogram, click on OK. I'm going to choose the same input range, column H from 4 to 97, the same output in L9. Now, what I'm going to change is I'm going to add these new things I've got here as my bins. So 15, 25, 30, and 45. And click on OK. And now I get a good frequency distribution showing the 5 of 15, 12 of 25, 64 of 30, and 13 of 45. So I get a good frequency distribution. Now I can also choose the other options that they had here. Like I can do a Pareto analysis, I can do a cumulative percentage, I can put in chart output, and I'm going to overwrite the data. So here I get a cumulative diagram, cumulative distribution, a histogram,